Hey Muggs, what's happening though? Yeah. This shit got me feeling like the bad guys in Shaft. This shit got me feeling like Ron O'Neal when he running from the cops. Or Chris Tucker when he found them diamonds and money talks. You dig? Bailing down Fifth Ave, I'm feeling like Willie D. Shopping bags in both hands, palace loafers on my feet. Black cars and chauffeurs slide me through the city streets. Oh, what a sight to see. I made it, I'm in New York. I told the driver, take me to the ghetto like Too Short. Bodegas, no liquor stores. I grab up all the eyes though and pour it out for DA. You know I miss the slime though. Copper what we doing east side, hit the barrio. Then I slid through Queens in the QB, getting suited with my partners. Then we hit the lower east. Eating ass scars or the pasta with the cheese. Before Michael rap, you gotta see it to believe. I don't drink Hittin, I drink lean.
I drink Tech, Waukee, Trish, you know the deal.
I rock the khakis, not the jeans.
With my crease, my shit starched than a motherfucker.
I stay in hotel penthouse suite.
Lavish shit, you know, Waldorf Astoria. 5 stars and up.
I'm a birthday man in New York.
I'm from the Biddy for real though.
I'm a birthday man in New York.
From the hub city for real though.
I'm an LA man in New York.
You see my Dodger, check it out.
Living life my way, the West Side Highway. I'm only here till Friday. I bet I'll stay till Monday. Fucking with my Jersey bitch, she brought me out to her place. Looking at the city, cross the river, Eddie Murphy. The last scene of Harlem Nights, Cotton Club burning. Friday was the lake though, I'm heading to the island. End of the world, Montauk, that's where we sliding. Bigger than the Hamptons, where the real ones residing. Then slide back to the Biddy for a function at the Bryant. Tennis shoes and track pants, crew necks and red racks, curve hats. I be from the land where niggas murk at, and got love in the east where it's real, bet you heard that. Homies hustling on the corner, yeah, you better serve fast. Cause one time they hit the block trying to find your work stash.
That's the worst, you know the NYPD be tripping. LAPD too though, and fuck the Bompton sheriffs. Yeah.
I don't drink Hittin, I drink lean.
I drink Tech, Waukee, Trish, you know the deal.
I rock the khakis, not the jeans.
With my crease, my shit starched than a motherfucker.
I stay in hotel penthouse suite.
Lavish shit, you know, Waldorf Astoria. 5 stars and up.
I'm a birthday man in New York.
I'm from the Biddy for real though.
I'm a birthday man in New York.
From the hub city for real though.
I'm an LA man in New York.
You see my Dodger fitted on.
Compton.